My name is Maria Fasli. I'm a professor of computer science and my area of expertise is in artificial intelligence. I work for the University of Essex in the UK and I work on a range of projects with both industry as well as public sector organizations, trying to help them understand the data that they have, their needs around data and how to make better use of their data. This is a really interesting question. I think AI has a really big role to play in development, but we need to bring AI into the developing countries and transitioning countries to make a difference on the ground. So it's not about us making up solutions in the West, but it's about developing solutions here locally. So there's a whole area that we need to work on around developing capacity and helping people create the right networks here in Africa as well as in other areas in the world, South Africa, Southeast Asia, to make a difference. But there's a big scope to use AI to support sustainable development goals and make progress, help developing and transitioning countries develop into knowledge economies so that they can be the ones that have the power to make a difference for their own citizens. So this is another really good question. We've got in the West, we've been using surveys to collect data and we've been doing clinical trials. So we are always trying to learn in a very structured kind of way. So what I would like to work on, if I had an unlimited budget, is techniques that can learn and reason from observational data. So where you're trying, instead of running a survey and collecting data about the population, where you can control what it is that you're getting back, learning from the kind of data that is already available, because there's an abundance of data, but we're currently lacking the techniques in trying to make sense out of this data.
How do you feel about the workshop?
I think it has been amazing. We've made a lot of progress. We've had concrete ideas coming out as to next steps, and I look forward to personally supporting the initiative going forward if I'm needed in whichever way is possible.
Do you have a one-liner for us?
One line.
A slogan.
AI for all.